Good evening from Palm Springs, ladies and gentlemen. This is Alexander Nelson. I have a question for you. Is this a rocket launch by SpaceX? Because if it is, and I'm thinking that it is, it's a beautiful rocket launch. Take a good look. Look at this beautiful evening in the Twin Palms area of Palm Springs. This is awesome. And it's a cool 70, I want to say 81 degrees here in the city of Palm Springs at 7:30 at night. This is awesome. $7:30 in the evening. This is amazing. Yeah, I take it that, yes, it is a rocket launch. I think is right. Yeah. A rocket launch, yep. It is. I think it is SpaceX.